Alright, here's the deal. I spent my own money on the top 5 best-selling woodworking projects on Etsy. So you don't have to. Why? Because I wanted to answer a question I see all the time. Are these bestsellers actually good, or are we just falling for pretty pictures online? So, here's what I found, starting with the first product, a wooden phone stand. At first glance it's clean, simple, smooth, looks nice on the desk, but then you look a little closer. And, well, the finish isn't perfect. There are some uneven spots, and honestly the edges could use some love. Here's the wild part though, this thing sells like crazy, which just proves you don't need perfection to make sales. But, does it work? Yep. My phone fits, it's sturdy enough, totally usable. Just don't expect luxury. For the price? It's alright. But premium. Not quite. Next up, wooden coasters. And let me tell you, these are all over Etsy. This set is a top seller, and, honestly, they look pretty nice out of the box. Good wood grain. Finish seems okay, but on closer inspection, one's a little uneven, and the coating feels thin. I decided to give them the old water drop test. Let it sit, wipe it off, and there's a faint mark. Not ideal for something made to handle drinks. So, they look good, but when it comes to performance, they're just average. Third on the list, a small floating shelf. And this one actually surprised me. It feels solid, has good weight, the cuts are clean, and the finish, super smooth. Even the mounting hardware is decent, and that's rare. Out of everything I bought, this is the first one that really feels like quality. It's not crazy expensive, but it does feel like you're getting your money's worth. So far, this is the clear winner. Now, product number 4, and this is where things take a turn. It's a small wooden decor piece. Looks great in photos, but in person, kinda basic. The finish is rough, the design is super simple, and the price tag is way too high. This is a classic case of something selling because it looks good in the listing, not because it's special in real life. And honestly, that's a huge lesson. Sometimes, people buy not the actual product. Last up, I wanted to see if I could make something similar to one of these at home, for less. So, I picked an item, bought the materials, and tried building it myself. And you know what? I got pretty close. But here's where it gets real. It took a lot of time, tools, and patience. Even if the materials are cheap, your time definitely isn't free. That's the trade-off, which is why people are willing to pay for these in the first place. So, here's my final verdict. Out of 5 bestsellers, 1 was genuinely high quality, 2 were decent, 1 was clearly overpriced, and the last was a DIY reality check. But the real takeaway, you don't need to be perfect to sell on Etsy. You need a good design, decent quality, and killer presentation. Now, let me know in the comments if you were buying, would you care more about quality or price? And if you want to see me try to improve one of these and actually sell it, drop a like. Honestly, I think there's a lot of opportunity here.